Perfectly crumbly gum Arabic shortbread cookies recipe. Delight in the unique texture of these melt-in-your-mouth gum Arabic shortbread cookies. Follow our detailed step-by-step recipe to bake a batch of these delectable treats that are perfect for any occasion. Introduction. Discover the secret to wonderfully crumbly and exquisite shortbread cookies with a twist, gum Arabic. This natural ingredient not only adds a subtle complexity to the flavor, but also contributes to a texture that makes these cookies truly special. Perfect for tea time, dessert, or as a thoughtful homemade gift, our gum Arabic shortbread cookies recipe is sure to impress. Let's begin. Ingredients: 1/9 cup, 113 grams, unsalted butter, softened to room temperature. 1/4 cup, 50 grams, granulated sugar. 1/4 cup, 30 grams, powdered gum Arabic, acacia fiber. 1 1/4 cups, 175 grams, all-purpose flour. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Equipment needed: mixing bowl, electric mixer or whisk, measuring cups and spoons, baking sheet, parchment paper, rolling pin, cookie cutter. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees 175 degrees C. This ensures a consistent heat for baking your shortbread cookies to perfection. 2. Mix the dry ingredients. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, gum Arabic powder, and salt. This not only prevents lumps, but also incorporates air to make your cookies light and crumbly. 3. Cream the butter and sugar. In a separate bowl, use your electric mixer to cream the softened butter and granulated sugar together until the mixture becomes light and fluffy. This process is essential for the texture of your shortbread cookies. 4. Combine the ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter and sugar mixture, mixing on the low speed. Drizzle in the vanilla extract and continue to mix until a dough forms. Be careful not to over-mix, as this can make the cookies tough. 5. Chill the dough. Wrap the shortbread cookie dough in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Chilling the dough makes it easier to handle and also helps the cookies maintain their shape while baking. 6. Prepare your baking sheet. While the dough is chilling, line your baking sheet with parchment paper. This will prevent the cookies from sticking and ensure they bake evenly. 7. Roll out the dough. Once chilled, place the dough on a lightly floured surface. Using a rolling pin, roll the dough out to a thickness of about 1/4 inch, 0.6 centimeters. If the dough is too sticky, sprinkle a little more flour on the surface and the rolling pin. 8. Cut out the cookies. Dip your cookie cutter in flour and then cut out the cookies from the rolled dough. Carefully transfer the cutouts onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving space between each one. Gather any scraps, re-roll, and cut out more cookies until all the dough is used. 9. Bake to perfection. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and bake for 12-15 minutes, or until the edges of the cookies are lightly golden. The exact time may vary depending on your oven and the size of the cookies, so keep a watchful eye on them. 10. Cool and enjoy. After baking, let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. They will continue to set as they cool, so this step is crucial for the right texture. 11. Optional. Add a final touch. For added elegance, you can dust your gum Arabic shortbread cookies with a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or even drizzle them with a simple glaze. Conclusion: these delightful gum Arabic shortbread cookies will offer a truly special treat for any occasion. Whether enjoyed alone or with a cup of tea, the unique incorporation of gum Arabic truly elevates the humble shortbread to new heights. Share them with friends, family, or savor them all yourself. We won't tell.